Okay, so ano ba talaga ang kailangan natin sa pag-take or pagkuha ng civil service examination? What really is at stake? Ano ba ang meron dito? Of course, in the course of the preparation, hindi maiiwasan yung stress. Stress at may stress ka talaga dyan. But there are certain aspects, there are certain strategies and techniques na pwedeng maalis po ang stress na yan. Na parang nag enjoy ka na as you review for the examination. Pwede pala yun. Mag-i-enjoy sa pag-review. Of course, even the time consideration and the length of the review, di naman araw-araw nag-i-stress o nag-e-effort ka dyan, no? Must have to enjoy your review so that in the course of the examination, mag-enjoy ka din sa pag-answer mo, no?